Welcome back, guys. It's the Tightwaddiy. You know I'm always looking to make my home smarter, more efficient, and easier to control things. Today I'm going to show you how to install this 2-zone RainPoint watering system. I'm going to be using it to water the flower beds in front of my home, and it has an indoor digital display and an app that goes along with it. I'm going to show you how to get it all set up and installed. We love planting seasonal flowers. These are pansies, and they're going to stay green and bloom all winter long. In order to keep them nice and healthy, they need water, and consistent water is key. So I have this soaker hose set up, and I'm going to show you how I control it with a new smart home watering system. I turn the hose bib on about a quarter turn, and then I set the timer on my phone, and I ran it until the water started seeping out of the bottom of the bed. And that lets me know how long I need to let it run each time I want to water these flowers. I connected the side with a single valve to the hose bib, and the other side I put in both of the hoses that I'm going to be using. I'm actually going to start the water again just to test it by pressing this button. And you can hear it starting to flow through the hose. I'm going to stop it again. And then I can do the same with the other one. And I hear it start to spray, and I can turn it off with the press of the button. So I really like the on-demand watering. You don't have to go find your phone. If you're outside and you need to water something, you just simply press the button and it turns on. All right, so now we're back in the app, and we're on the 2-zone timer screen. You can see zone 1 has a line under it indicating that's the settings we're looking at right now. If I want to start the watering process right now, I can choose irrigation, set it for a time limit, and choose confirm. And it's going to cut on my water for 10 minutes, and then it will cut back off. If I want to cancel that, I can either press the button on the unit, or I can hit irrigation again and then confirm canceling, and it will stop watering. Instead of doing that, I really want to set up a plan so that it comes on at specific times. So I'm going to click the plus sign in the top right corner. I'm actually going to start my watering at 8 a.m. and I'm going to stop my watering by duration. And we're going to water for 10 minutes. We're not going to repeat every day. I'm going to do all of my odd days because today is an odd day and I want to water every other day. So I'm going to click confirm. And now I'm ready to go. I'll click the check mark. My first plan for watering is set. I'm not currently going to set a plan for zone 2 because I'm using that for hand watering, but in the future I do have the opportunity to do that. And you'll see that the next time it's going to water is in 2 days. To complete the project for today, I put in some pine mulch to cover the hose and to provide some insulation around the base of the pansies. And we are all done. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.